Installation video. Notice. Tool. Installation and startup. Keep the ground level. Left-hand side vise has 2 waterproof gates. Right-hand side, there are 2 pairs of MC4 connectors. Open the front door. This is the battery connector. Cut the wire tie. Pull out the wire. Connect the battery connector. Make sure all power is off. Connect to grid and load, ground wire, neutral wire, live wire. Grid wire is into the waterproof gate. Load wire is into the waterproof gate. Turn on the isolation plate. Make sure all power is off. For the convenience of wiring operation, please install the load terminal first. Continue to install the grid terminal. Connect the solar panel. Open the back door. Turn on the battery switch. It takes about 10 seconds to start up. Turn on grid gate. Measure with multimeter. Turn on the battery switch. Start the inverter. The inverter starts up for about 10 seconds. Step 1. Turn on the solar switch. Step 2. Turn on the grid switch. Step 3. Turn on the load switch. Turn off the isolation plate. Turn on the load switch. Graceful shutdown. First, turn off the load switch. The second step, turn off in sequence, load switch, grid switch, solar switch. Third step, turn off the inverter. Wait until the display screen turns off. Fourth step, turn off the battery switch. And turn off the main switch on the battery. Finally, turn off grid power. Please make sure the machine is turned off. Magic has 2 fuses. Pull out and replace the fuse. Thank you for watching.